What's up, y'all? This is Reshoot Films, and I'm back with a quick tutorial. Now, some of y'all graphic designers are scared of After Effects, or you just, ain't getting around to it because you think it's a little too much. If you know Photoshop, it's easy. The basics will get you far, all right? So we're gonna do that. We're gonna bring your Photoshop file into After Effects, and I'm gonna show you how easy it is for you to turn that file into a 3D space. All right, so I'm opening Photoshop right now. All right, what you're seeing is I already did this, so pretend this is your graphic. This is me just messing around. This is not a serious graphic. I just grabbed some images just so you can get the concept. All right, so we got a wall, some says ghetto, a little street, a girl, and a little car. All right, nice low rider car, West Coast style. You know what it is. I kind of miss California, I ain't gonna front. But anyway, all you gotta do, let's say, okay, you worked in Photoshop, you did your magic, you did what you had to do, the graphic is cool, it's perfect, everything's laid out like you want it. All right, I might want the girl, where the girl at? I might want her to actually be behind everything. You know what I mean? But whatever, you can put it in any order you want. All right, all you're gonna do is, like regular, just save it. You're gonna save it as a regular Photoshop file. All right, save it wherever you're gonna save it to. All right, you saved it. Now let's get out of there. Now let's open up After Effects. Don't worry, don't trip. It's gonna be easy, all right? One thing good about Adobe is that they match with each other. Like you can go from Premiere to After Effects, Photoshop to After. I mean, you can just exchange and go back and forth with them, and it's kind of cool. But anyway, all right, open project, go to your desktop. That's where I saved mine. If you don't see it, come down here and hit all file formats, and it should pop up. Here we go. Now this is important. Composition, retain layer sizes, editable layer styles. All right, keep all that going. Hit OK. Then up here in your top left here, click it twice, and there you go. It just brought it in the same way. It's the same order we left it in. You got the wall, the girl, ghetto, street, and the car. All right, now what you got to do is create it, make it into 3D. You see this right here? That's 3D, so just click them all. Now they're officially 3D. Now go up here, go to layer, new, camera. Create a 3D camera. I'm gonna have mine 35mm. Boom. Make sure you do that in that order, all right? Now here we go. This is where the magic happens. So, see this right here? This here is your 3D here, all right? Z is back and forth, Y is up and down, and X is left and right. See? All right? Up and down, and your Z. See? Z. My Z acts stupid, so, but that's back and forth. I'm going to do it using the keyboard a little bit. So, if you want to use it doing the keyboard, this is what we're going to do. All right, I'm clicking on the wall. I'm going to hit P on my keyboard. That's going to bring up the position. Right here, this is back and forth. Right here, up and down. Right here, left and right. Same thing. I'm just doing it with the keyboard. All right, so I'm gonna push this back in Z space, what we call Z space. All right. And then you can press S on your keyboard to scale it back up. You wanna scale it back up, bring it back. You're gonna do that to all of them. Now we have what? The girl. All right. So now I'm gonna put her in a position. I'm gonna bring her way back. All right. Then I'm gonna scale her back up. Now we have ghetto. I'm gonna hit the P. I could bring her, I'm gonna bring him back a little bit. I'm gonna scale him back up. Now we have what? We got the little street. I'm gonna bring that forward some. And then I'm gonna Scale it down a little. Then I'm gonna bring it up. All right. Then we have the car. I'm telling you, it's easy. You pick on your layer. I'm hitting P on the keyboard, and I'm bringing it forward. And you're gonna see it's gonna surpass. See how it goes behind everything? Oh, see? All right, I want it in front, obviously. So there we go. So I brought it in front. Now I'm gonna make it smaller. I can either do it manually, or you could press S on the keyboard and make it smaller. Just like that, either way. Bring it over some. All right, now let's get it everything where you want it. Like, what's this? This is the street. The street's cool. Ghetto, I could bring that up some. Then her, she might be cool right there too. All right. Now comes the fun. Now we just doing basics. You could do a lot of stuff with this, but we just doing basics right now. All right. Right here, these three controls here. These three control your camera. This controls it forward and back. You see that? It's already starting to move. This goes left and right, or up and down. And this orbits, but you're mostly gonna deal with forward and back, left and right, up and down. All right, here we go. You wanna make it to move. So you go here, hit transform. Right here is gonna create a keyframe. Make sure this is in the beginning though. Create the keyframe, it's in blue. Now bring it forward. And then you're gonna grab this one and you're gonna just go forward. You can keep going forward. Let's say that's the concept. Then when you grab this one, you're gonna grab that one. I'm gonna bring her down because I want her to end up perfectly right there. All right, and that's what it's gonna do. That's what it does right there. And then if you want, you can grab them both. Grab these two here both. Right click, keyframe assistant, easy ease. So it kind of goes into a smooth. All right. Now if you grab this here and you bring it over here a little bit, let's say I want that much space. Right click, trim comp to work area. It'll just kind of take away the extras. And there you go. You just created a graphic. Now you can do a lot of stuff with this. Now again, what I told you, this is nothing that, that I'm just like, that I worked hard on. I'm just showing you the concept of what you can do. You could put dust in this stuff, fog. You could do a lot, with this stuff. You could put effects on here, 3D lights. There's a lot more you can do, but the basics of even just going through stuff can enhance your work and offer your clientele just a little bit more, you know what I mean? Make you some more money, So anyway, that's what it is, and it's just like Photoshop, I'm telling you. So you go here, layer, new, look at this. You want to do an adjustment layer right there, adjustment layer. Effect, color correction, curves. This right here on the top, project, effect controls. If you don't see effect controls, go to your windows and hit them, and hit it right here. Effect control to pop up. All right. Simple. Again, just wanted to show you that real quick. Nothing crazy. If you got any more questions, leave them in the comment area. Let me know. But it's not that hard. If you know how to do Photoshop and know how to layer your stuff, just bring it into After Effects. You don't have to save it special. Save it as a Photoshop file. Bring it into After Effects. Turn it into a 3D. Create a camera. Split up your files, your layers in 3D space. All right? Learn more, grow more, earn more. You feel me? Anyway, appreciate you checking me out. Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell on the side so you get notified on time. All right? Be blessed. I'm out.